What's up? Your girl back with another video. Check this out. Some finger waves for the summer. Everybody knows that in the summertime, everybody's rocking the cutest cuts, the cutest weaves that are shorter, and the cutest bobs, things like that. I love me a set of finger waves. So why don't we go ahead and get into this install, baby? Yes, sunshine ready and super simple. So first we're gonna go ahead and put some gel on our hair. Of course, I use Pro Style because I like the way that it holds for my hair, because even though my hair is texturized, and this is a texturizer, not a relaxer, it still seems to have a curl. So I need it to lay flat so I can get them waves looking exactly how I want them to. So that's what I'm doing. Using Pro Style, getting that first wave in there. And you want to continue with C patterns going in the opposite direction. So if you like them more to your face, bring the first C to your face. If you like them more out your face, bring the C back towards the back of your hair. See, this is how you start it. And as you can see, this is how I'm continuing to go around, because I want all the finger waves to actually connect to each other as opposed to having different loops, because I'm not going for a buckle style, I'm actually going for a wave. So I want it all to be waves. And you see on the side, I'm doing the same thing. And you always go opposite the C. What I've learned is to always start at the ends of the C. That is the easiest way to do it, to me. Start at the end of the C, not at the beginning of the C. The end of the C. Spraying water here because you want to make sure your finger waves stay flexible. So you always want to spray water or add gel where necessary. But I spray water because it makes them really, really shiny. You want to make sure that that hair is flat. My hair isn't long enough to put or use fingers or an additional comb, so that part wasn't needed. But if you notice, what I am doing, broken combs are your friends, but if you notice, I am taking the edge of my comb and I'm making sure that I'm doing it in small parts so I can get a wavy wave look. Like, I want it to look really wavy inside the wave, if that makes sense. Giving me a little pin curls because my hair doesn't come out all the way to the front. So since I like my waves to the front, I need to give me and my forehead some style. And see, that's what I'm going for. And now, this is starting at the beginning of the C. Okay? You don't want to start in the middle of the C because then you'll have to bring it down. It's just easier for me to do it that way. Start at the beginning. And then you see how it's just flowing now that I've already started at the beginning. Spraying my whole entire head with water again, got some gel in my comb, and I'm going through. And I'm going to continue this the entire style. Connecting them waves, starting at the beginning of the C, going through, connecting the wave all the way through. Connect those waves. Start at the beginning of the C. Connect the waves. And you see how it's just going directly into a C. Like, that's it. And then it will eventually turn into an S, obviously, but if you do it in C's, it will work out good for you. And using the ends of the comb, so like if you like or know you like to wear finger waves like I do, I have have combs that I have literally broken intentionally so that I can get my finger waves exactly how I want them to look. Like I said, broken combs with finger waves are your friends, especially if you have longer hair. Start at the C, continue on. And your hair does not have to be texturized for this style. However, I like it texturized so that my finger waves aren't sitting off of my head as much because of the thickness of my hair. Now I'm going to go a little bit different. I'm not going to go in the exact form of my finger waves. Now I'm going to go from the middle of my finger waves and do waves so that they will go all the way down my neck. And as you can see, we are at the bottom of my neck. And you'll just keep going. And that is what it turned out to look like, y'all. All the way around, and I'm completely done. Believe it or not, this took me an hour and a half. Got me some Gotta Be Glued spray wax, that's life, and some bedhead, which is also life for your finger waves. Bedhead does dry out a little bit more than the wax does, but I like the bedhead. And there she is, looking poppin', ready for the summer, ready for the spring. I sweat in my head, so this does only last me about a week. When my texturizer is new, it lasts me about 4 days since I sweat in my head in my sleep. But other than that, I've seen people get 2 weeks out of their finger waves, to be honest with you. And there you have it, guys. An easy do-it-yourself style that you can obtain, have you looking real fly, put your eyelashes on, and you will be good to go, okay? Got new videos coming up every week. I love you guys. Check me out. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Make sure to watch it. Show me what you did to your hair for the summer. Peace.